Alright, hello everyone. In this video, we will list the best savings accounts for 2023 and why. Also, I will list the best savings accounts that often change their rate to reflect new rates, thus giving you a long-term savings account that is likely to outperform and not simply lower the rate a few months after you make your account. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe as it really helps to grow this channel. Anyway, thank you so much for the support, and without further ado, let's get started. The best savings accounts currently with no monthly maintenance fees and FDIC insurance are the following: My Savings Direct My Savings Account, Basque Interest Savings, Salem 5 Direct E1 Savings, Capital One 360 Performance Savings, and Discover Online Savings. My Savings Direct offers a 4.35% APY, Basque Bank offers 4.15% APY, and Salem 5 Direct offers 4.1% APY. However, they require a $10 deposit to open an account. After that, no minimum is required. I want to note that with Capital One and Discover only offering an APY of 3.3%, you might be thinking, why would I go with these banks? Well, they have offered outperforming interest rates in the past and are willing to raise the rate with rising interest rates. Unfortunately, I'm not sure about the other banks listed. Discover also offers a bonus of $150 if you deposit $15,000 within the first 30 days of opening your savings account with them. Also, if you deposit $25,000, you can earn $200 instead of $150. In addition, Discover mentioned a $0 minimum balance to open an account, and I couldn't find a minimum balance requirement. Be mindful, interest rates fluctuate, and these rates can change, so make sure you check the rates of these savings accounts to compare if one has changed since the making of this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more content like this, please do like and subscribe as it does help our channel, and please comment down below and tell us if there's any other good savings accounts that we haven't listed here that might be better. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and have a great day everybody.